Turning engine AM404. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks nice. No damages here. On this side all looks good, as you can see. Pressure looking good, altimeter looking like new, and starter is in good condition. On the back side all looks good, no damages. On this side all looks well. Turbo is in good condition. On the top all looks like so. We have damage here, as you can see, and oil sun in good condition. Underneath I didn't see any damages. Turning engine AM404. Thank you.